at the Halloween drift event at Evergreen Speedway. It's rainy. I'm not sure how these clips are going to turn out because sometimes my wipers don't like to work, so we might be just looking through a whole bunch of rain on the windshield. But it should still be fun to get some video and, you know, have some fun here. Maybe get some video of the other cars and what's going on. We got here, Pass Tech, track is live, doing the first layout still, so we're about to fire it up, go get in the burnout box, get used to the slick cement here because it's raining, like I said, and then see how we do there. Maybe go through a couple times just to make sure we can get second gear sliding and not spinning completely, and then yeah, we'll go from there. It's about 3:20, event goes till 9, so we got a long time to drift and just chill. So my first goal was just to get it sliding, hit second, see how it felt. Didn't really mean to throw this 360, but it worked. So my dumb ass thought, let's do another one. This time it did not work, and I stalled it. So that's what the warm-up box is for, right? The second time. This time I was just focused on keeping it under control, sliding but not going too far. I gotta say, it's pretty cool when they do the whole rally from one spot to another. Even though I didn't get to do the first layout, I was like 2 cars away. Still, it's pretty cool getting to do the whole rally around. Cars everywhere. And we're all just like going 3 wide around the track, back in line, ready to hit the second layout. So rainy, but so far so good. I guess I shouldn't have hit the burnout box twice. Should have just hit it once and come out here. Oh well. So hours of drifting to go. I like the second layout anyways, a little quicker. Yeah, let's get it. Gave her a little too many beans. It whipped back on me on the transition a little bit. But we nailed that first corner. Gonna get right back in line, hopefully get another run in. But yeah. What the? There's 2 trucks I've seen out here. That's crazy. 2 trucks, man. But get it. Maybe I should bring my truck out here one day. The old Dirty Max, huh? The old Dirty Max drifting action. Yeah. Probably gonna send out a group here. Looks like 4. Let's watch them go. And then there'll be another guy, and then we first run on layout. I'll talk about it sick. transition out of third is tough, but we can get it. That was a good run still. We're getting a little better each time. That was it. That felt good. Third gear was pretty smooth coming down the bank. Pretty smooth coming down the bank. I wonder if I can hit that a little earlier now that I got a little more feeling for my rain third gear clutch again. Yeah. She'll bust it loose in third gear in the rain, that's for sure. Easily could spin there. Just over rev it and drop that clutch. So far so good. See you on the next run. Flat black 350Z. The next one is just a fucking primo S15 with like Yachio factory stickers on. I mean, look at that. It's a fucking great day. If it's rain or not, fucking enjoying it. Race cars, racetrack, drifting. Let's go. Finally, dark enough to turn on the lights and do some night drifting. Made it home from event number 3 in one piece. Car did great. Looks like the rain shield that I put in helped out a lot. Didn't have any issues with rain. A lot of fun. Spun a lot, but that's gonna happen in the rain. Car made it home. Parked it in the garage. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it if you made it this far. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Catch you later.